morning. Today I am sharing you a story. The story of an average girl at her studies. Average girl means average at her studies. So she somehow developed the interest towards public speaking. Yes, she was very fascinated to speak on stages. While observing other her friends speaking on stages, she used to get fascinated. She wanted to speak on stage. But as she is an average student, she approached her teacher. She asked her very politely, "Ma'am, I just wanted to speak on stage." But she said, if the topper is not willing to say, if the topper is absent, then you may have chance. So she felt disappointed, left that thought there. Then, in her next standard also, she had this fascination in her mind that one day I want to do this public speaking. She was fascinated, she was determined, and so she was putting her efforts. Then, second time, in her sixth standard, she asked her teacher the same thing. At least this time, will I be able to deliver something on this function on the stage? Her teacher told her, like, let's see, if time permits, we'll allow you. But she just got her content ready, she just made her content excellently, and she was wishing to deliver. But in that function she was waiting when she would be called. Her hands are sweating, she was having a little stage fear, shivering, and her legs were sweating and shivering too. But she was very determined that at least once she will speak something, once she will utter something on the stage. So she was waiting for her chance. Oh, maybe ma'am may call me now, ma'am may call me next second. Like that she was waiting for her chance. But her ma'am didn't call her. Yes, she was very disappointed because she was having all this stage fears in her, so as to give her a chance that she can speak. But she wasn't called, so she felt not that good. At least she should have got a chance to speak something, right? Okay. Then again she just felt disappointed. She left that idea and then she went. Again she was keeping on asking her teachers to give her chance at least in any a function so that she can speak. So suddenly, without properly informing her, they just gave her chance to speak. She caught the mic and she was trembling. She was shivering, and words were not properly coming from her mouth. She was telling like the this that like that. She was telling all the words like that, and she just gave the mic there. She just ran from that place, and that day she cried a lot. She cried that she would never be given chance again, but somehow she was determined that no, I have to get a chance, I have to do proper public speaking. So what she has done is she just asked the teacher again, give me one more chance is needed. And her teacher told like, next time if you do something wrong on the stage, we will never allow you to speak again. She accepted the condition. She just took the chance. She drafted her speech. She just kept on practicing it, and she was very sure that she would deliver it that perfectly. And it was an elocution competition. She was given a chance to deliver in that elocution competition. She delivered. While delivering, now she has learned these small tricks also from elders, like while saying respected principal sir, she started to give a look to that principal sir. And when saying respected teachers, she used all her body languages. She made her speech so mesmerizing. So what happened is, defeating all the great speakers of her school, she won the prize in that elocution competition. She won first prize in that elocution competition. And she was having there also, she was having all that stage fear. Her hands were sweating, her leg was shaking while speaking, but she maintained all this because her will to speak. She even had fever after that. So come back. This story is to tell you the 4 to 5 points of public speaking. First point, 4 to 5, because first you have came to know from this story that will is important for public speaking. That is the first point. But from this, there are 4 points to be considered in public speaking. Second thing is, that girl, see that girl, what she did, she used her gestures in the speech. Very important. Third thing, voice modulation. While explaining that story, what I told, the teacher, she said, let's try a chance, let's give a chance, like that. Use your voice according to the context. The third thing. Fourth thing is, you learn vocabulary, proper vocabulary. Be prepared, be in a way, in such a way that you can give your content and you can be that confident if you prepare your content very organizedly. So be very very confident with your content. So these are, according to me, the very very important points of public speaking. And if you want to learn more on public speaking, comment me, I'll share more. Like, share and subscribe if you agree with me.